And welcome back. You're probably wondering why I got on some gloves. Well, me and Mother was playing doctor and she lost. No, just kidding. Today we're going to make shotgun shells. Wait a minute. Shotgun shells. You need some manicotti tubes. You're going to need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of Italian sausage, minus the paper. We don't need the paper. Well, maybe we do. I don't know. It gives you some fiber. No, don't need the paper. It's not good for you. Okay, and with that, we're going to add some finely chopped onions, some finely chopped green bell pepper, and this is to taste. Now, you don't have to put this in there. I'm just saying. And we're going to add, maybe a handful and a half of cheese. And then the gloves come into play. And then me and Mother will use them after a while for playing doctor. Get in here and mix this up. Give this a real good mixy mix. Get everything incorporated. The onions and the peppers and the cheese. Also, you're going to need bacon. We need bacon. We need bacon. Because after we stuff these, we're going to wrap them with bacon. And then we're going to leave them in the fridge for about 4 hours. And you say, why is that? Well, it's better. It's gooder for it. Make sure you get the stuffing all the way to the other end. And I know what people are saying. Ron, you need a piping bag. No, this is more fun than prom night. Just saying. So this is what we're going to do. Make sure you get it all the way to the end. Make sure it's just like that. Just make sure all the way to the end. Same on this end. Make sure it's in there, stuffed all the way. And then what we're going to do, we're going to clean some of this off our fingers like that. Then we'll take a piece of bacon and we're going to wrap it around the end so it's covered up the end all the way to the other end. And then we're going to put it on a baking sheet. And then we're going to continue to do this until all of our mixture is gone or our shells run out. I got 14 to do, and I know you don't want to sit and watch all that. So I'm going to finish stuffing these, and then I'm going to put on some barbecue rub, and I'm going to smoke them after I leave them in the fridge for about 4 hours. I'm going to smoke them in the on the pellet grill, about 250 for about 2 hours, I believe, and then I'm going to take them off, and I'm going to put my favorite barbecue sauce, which I make, and then I'm going to put them back on there for another 30 minutes. And everything should be done and nice incorporated. And the reason I say put these in the fridge for about 4 hours, because it will cook. It cooks better, and it has a better flavor, and you don't have a hard shell, crispy edges or anything like that. So make sure you stuff it all the way to the end. It's coming out the other end. Make sure it's All good there. Same thing with the bacon again. Make sure you cover the end like that. Wrap them up. That's it. And again, take that bacon and cover that end. Set it on the tray. Okay, I'm gonna continue doing this while you guys go fetch you a drink, get you a cold snack, or whatever you see fit. And when I get all these stuffed, and I'll throw some barbecue rub on it, and I'll bring you back. Whew! Almost thought I was going to have a fight there. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, I went ahead and finished up making the shotgun shells. Now, we're going to put this in the fridge for about 4 hours. And then when it's done, I'm going to take my barbecue rub and I'm going to sprinkle it all over it. And we're going to put it on the smoker. And then once it's on the smoker, we'll leave it on there for about 2 hours. And then put our sauce on. Once we have our sauce on, we'll put it in for another 30 minutes. We'll take them off and they'll be ready to chow down on. So, come along with me. And when we get ready to put this on the grill, I'll set you up outside and we'll sit there and fire up the grill. So stay tuned for that. How you doing? Welcome to the outdoors. We got our smoker rolling here, this pellet grill. We'll put our shotguns on it. Okay, now, get all wound up and excited there, fella. You got excited. Okay, we're going to fire this up to 300. And we're going to let that cook for about an hour. Then we're going to put some barbecue sauce on it. And we'll let it tack up. And then once it's all tacked up, we'll let them cool off and have a little taste. So, stick around. It could be good. Plus, it's beautiful outside. Hey, you ain't going to believe this. I'm going to show it to you. Look at there, look at there. So what we're going to do, we're going to slather on some of this barbecue sauce. Like that. It's going to be good. This is going to be good. Get that all over everywhere. Like that. Close that back up, and we'll let that cook for about another 10 minutes, or until it gets like sticky. Once it gets a little sticky on there, then we'll take her inside and we'll give her a little taste test. We'll just see what what the good news is. So stay tuned for that. We'll be right back. Okay. We're back in the house. We got one of our shotgun shells laid out here. And we're going to give her a whirl and see what it tastes like. It's hot, by the way. Those are good. Those are really good. I suggest, to anybody that would say, what do you think? Would you make them again? The answer is yes. Just can't believe it. Good taste. Crispy bacon. I like it. The manicotti shell is nice and soft and done. What more can you say? But I'd do it again. And I probably will. But in the meantime, get out in the kitchen, make a mess. See what the heck happens. You never know. You might even make something you like. You never know. But with this, I say, until next time, America, join us for dinner.